Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, and we are here with entry 42. I cannot believe we have made it in the 40s. It just, beside myself. This entry comes from Miss Lisa, so I did open the package and it was wrapped up, so I decided to go ahead and just pull it out. And let's just see. This is beautiful. And that's sweet. Okay, sorry about the paper. You know how that works. Let's see. Oh my goodness. How precious. And of course, we can always use that twine. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. Happy birthday. Look at that cute little birdie. I love that. Half the time I cannot remember what that paper's called. So cute. Okay. She says, Dear Carmen, hope your birthday and anniversary are both amazing. You deserve it. Aw. Hope you enjoy these goodies and memory decks card. I had so much fun making them for you. God bless you, your crafty YouTube friend, Lisa, Scrappingpinklady. That is so sweet. I love it so much. Vellum. Huh, I remembered the paper. Oh my goodness, it is so precious. Thank you so much, sweetheart, and your kind words mean so much to me. I appreciate that more than you know. And oh my goodness, look at that paper package and the embellishments of the stinking cute precious birdie she sent me. Oh my goodness. Her bag topper is a mint green doily. I said it right. And then she's got this cute little cutout bird and this teeny tiny pearl for an eye. My goodness. And it looks like it's got, I can never remember. It's either, she's misted that, she's either used like a mist to give it like just a subtle, or she's used like Wing of Stella. I'm not sure. But there is a slight mist that I'm not sure that y'all can pick up. That's just a little shine of glitter everywhere. Let's pull this out and see. Look how stinking cute those are. And this is not anything like I have. And I don't know where in the world you get these tiny flat pearls like that. Shoot, I didn't need a magnifying glass just to put them on. But, you know, that's part of getting old. That is so cute. Thank you. Thank you so much for that. I love it. And then look. Let's see. Hold on. That feels like a memory deck, so I'm waiting. My name. Thank y'all so much for doing my name. I absolutely love it. Embrace the journey. And then she's got the mint green doily again. She's got a beautiful pink swan. And it says embrace the journey with the gold metallic cut out. And then it has my name all in gold. Oh, I'm worth $1 million. No. That is so pretty. Okay, let's see what she's got in here. Okay. Just don't want the crinkling sound. I know it's kind of hard. I love how she's added the washi to the back of that. That is so neat. But look. She has put these on. Okay, the first layer is like, almost like a gold punch. And then she's got this pink glitter paper that is a die cut doily. And then she's got all this little eyelash trim that says dream. It's got this beautiful pink swan with the little feathers. And then this one the same way, except for it's white and pink. And then this one's got the pearl and lace. This has got lace too. And then look at that one. That one's pink and gold. And it says Wish with the lace. Oh my gosh, girl. So cute. Look at those little bitty tiny bling eyes. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for that. Oh, let me make sure all this is in focus in the camera so everybody can see. Got to get my name back in there. Okay. And look. Oh, holy stinking Moses. Look at that little bitty bag. And she has done the littlest tiny bag topper. She has got pink and white sequins and little sea beads. I mean, just, oh my goodness. And just look at that little precious topper. Can y'all see that? And it says Wish. And it's got the little pink dot. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Thank you so much for that. And she's done it again with this one. Oh my God, the time that it would take you to do just this little bag topper. That is just so precious. And see, these are just artwork to me as well. And then she's added these beautiful pearls. And then we've got more amazing die cuts. I'm not sure if that's all this. No, they're different. I got to pull them out. Oh my goodness. And she's done the bag topper, the bag the same way. She's lined it with that ribbon. And then she's got this cute little beautiful swan. And it says love. And then the cutouts. Oh my goodness, girl. You went. Your detail is just amazing. Look at those. How stinking awesome. And I have none of these papers. So these are such a blessing. And then look at that. I don't have a die cut like that. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. I love them. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love every one of them. Oh my goodness. That is just like something else. And then look at this. Spring greetings. That is definitely getting me a head start on spring. And I appreciate that so, so much. Excuse me. But she sent me these little cute, little clear stamp bunnies with the tulip and the hearts. And it says Sunny Studio. I have not seen this. That is so cute. And I have nothing of spring yet. Well, except for the pastel colors. Thank you so much, sweetheart. I appreciate it so much. My gosh. Now, let's look at her memory decks. And it says happy birthday. And she's got me a birthday cake. And then she's had me some flowers with them bling in it. On this gorgeous paper. Did you stamp that? Oh, it's so pretty. And she's also, like I said, I don't know if y'all can see it in the video, but she has also got this all misted up. I'm guessing this is like shimmer spray. You need to let me know if you've done this on your own, or if you made it yourself, or if it's something that you have purchased. Because I definitely need that. I love it. I've seen it more than once. Sorry about the noise. And again, let's make sure this is in frame. Because it is too cute not to be. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Cute. It says cute in big writing. It's got the crown, the pink, and the little sequin and the bling and another till doily. It says love forever, and it says darling. And it's got this beautiful swan with the crown and the jewels on the crown. And then she's, excuse me, the eyelash trim and the gold doily cutout. Oh my gosh. And more sequins and bling. Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. And then she's added this clip. So let me make sure I'm not showing nothing. Okay. It would have been. So the clip is actually holding her information. I don't want to cover up those cute little birdies. So let's move them up so that I can put this over here. And y'all can see her beautiful memory decks while I read a little information. We'll put that there. Okay, her name is Lisa. Her birthday is February 12th. Another one right along the lines of my youngest baby girl's birthday. Same month. Lily's is the 9th. Her YouTube and IG is Scrappingpinklady. Hey, girl. And then crafting, her YouTube is Scrappingpinklady, and her IG is Craftingpinklady. And then her favorites are pink and mint green. Thank you for that, because I love them too. Her style, as of right now, I guess, shabby chic. Her store is Simon Says Stamps. Not Too Shabby Shop. Huh, I've never heard of that one. Okay, and then her $5 item is bling and more bling. And yes, ma'am, I agree with you 100% on that one. How awesome is that? I love it. And I thank you so, so much. I'm so grateful. And I keep saying it, but I don't know how else. Let me fix that. I don't know how else to say thank y'all anymore. Y'all just go so far beyond. And the details, my goodness. Y'all were some seriously talented ladies. And the details that y'all have amaze me. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I am just in love with each and every item. I'm in love with each and everything everybody has sent. Wow. Y'all, y'all just got skills. What can I say? And I can only inspire to be more like y'all. So thank you so much. Thank you for entering. And let me know. I'm going to be doing an update before the challenge is over. But if you did a VR, can you let me know in the comment box below? We're over 40 now, so I'm over 42. My brain don't work like it used to. And so I have everything written down, and I tried to make sure that I'm staying organized on paper. I just don't have it at the top of my head. And sometimes it's easier just to double make sure. Know what I'm saying? Anyway, thank you so much. I hope y'all all have enjoyed this. Please do me a favor. Give me a like, comment below. Let me know what your favorite item was. And do me a favor and ring that bell and subscribe if you're not already. Thank you so much. And as always, I wish y'all the absolute best.